Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the Kordial Media YouTube channel. My name is Adriana and I help Shopify e-commerce businesses and influencers drive traffic and sales utilizing Pinterest. In today's video, we are going to talk about web sessions, the latest and greatest type of Pinterest campaign that you can run. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. What are web sessions? I mean, you're probably wondering, right? A lot of ad accounts don't even have access to web sessions. They are still in beta and you had to actually request when they were when they first launched to actually get web sessions on your account. So I have some clients who do have the web sessions on their account. Not all my clients do since it's not available anymore. And there's a wait list actually now to actually have web sessions on your account. So we're not getting it for a while. That being said, I am still going to break it down for you because by the time it does come out, I think it'll be a super cool campaign to utilize. So web sessions allows you to increase your traffic off of Pinterest. So really it's trying to optimize to get you traffic off of Pinterest. It differs from the consideration campaigns, formerly known as traffic campaigns on Pinterest. The difference is that the consideration campaigns are focused on getting you like pin clicks and traffic on the platform, whilst the web sessions are really there to get you traffic that is going to bounce off of the platform onto your website. Do I recommend web sessions if you do have access to the web sessions? And the answer is, I'm not sure yet. I've tested it. It depends on your goals. If you're looking for conversions, I do not suggest you test web sessions. However, if you're looking for brand awareness or to build your audiences, like your site visitor audiences on your Pinterest tag in order to then retarget later, then yes, web sessions is a great campaign to select, arguably better than a consideration campaign, since again, the point of web sessions really is to get you that traffic on your site, and then your tag picks that up and then can easily retarget that traffic later through a retargeting campaign. It also gives you more accurate data as to who is actually more interested in your product than maybe somebody just browsing on Pinterest and looking through random pins and decided to randomly click your ad, you know? On that note, I am going to do a tour of web sessions and what it looks like, how the ad looks like within the computer. So this is a bit of what the web sessions looks like when you get into, when you click add, create an ad. This is where you would land, and then you'd have all the options over here of the campaigns that you can run. Web sessions is this one. So you see it says increase your traffic to destinations off of Pinterest versus consideration, get more people to click on your ad on Pinterest. You understand the difference there? With web sessions, you know, it starts the same as all the other campaigns where really you have the campaign name, and then they ask you to choose a targeting strategy so you can retarget users. You can find new ones by launching act-alikes. You can choose your own campaign where you would add in your own interests and keywords, demographics. This basically looks exactly the same as the traditional other campaigns. The difference here is that you actually have access to a budget at the ad group level, whilst most of the other campaigns do not have that option. Most of the other campaigns, you have to choose a campaign at the campaign level, and it has CBO, campaign budget optimization, that basically forces you to have a winning ad group. The advantage of the web sessions is that you don't have that. You can actually just allocate a budget and test ad groups against each other accurately. So that's really cool. So you can add a budget over here at the ad group level, or I do believe they do give you the option here to add a budget at the campaign level, but it's optional, as you can see. If we go down here, they also give you the option of custom bidding and automatic. I always recommend automatic, but you can go ahead and, choose custom if you have a specific amount in mind that you want to pay per web session. And then the standard is great. And then down here is where you choose all of your pins. Okay, so you know everything there is to know about web sessions at this point in time. If you'd like an expert like myself to look over your promoted pins, feel free to book a meeting with me. It's totally free. You and I talk about your Pinterest account and we see if we are a good fit to work together. If you have a question about web sessions or any other type of promoted pin campaign, feel free to write it in the comment box below. On that note, I'm going to wish you a lovely rest of your day and we will chat in the next video. Bye for now.